I'm Chad from Chad DIY, and today I'm going to show you my brand new workshop. So let's get started. Here we are. I put a regular 16-foot wide garage door here so I could pull a vehicle in or if need be. I'm planning on it being mostly a dedicated workshop. So I'll have the option to bring in a vehicle, but most of the time I don't think I'll park in here at all. So I can kind of spread my tools out right now. The size of the shop is 24 by 28. I did one row of block there, you can see, and then 8-foot walls. So we're a little under 9 feet on the sidewalls, and then with the scissor truss I did, I think close to 12 feet high. So ton of headroom compared to the basement I used to work at, where I think that was 7.5 feet, really low ceiling, so the extra height is awesome. I just have a few lights in here right now for these LED shop lights. I'll probably do a video review because they're just awesome. I just have 4. I'll do at least a couple more. If not, I don't know, these 4 actually light it up pretty good in here. So power, it's just temporary right now. I have it kind of rigged up for the lights, but I still need to run the power from the house to the garage. Here's the panel. I think I got 6 circuits so far, and then I left it kind of open underneath so I can add circuits as need be. I just do a conduit from there on out. But yeah, so this is kind of the shop here. I'm very excited. So that's a quick tour of my new workshop. I'm super excited to be out here, have a space again. It's been about a year since over a year since I had my basement workshop, which I did most of my videos before. Since then, if you've seen some of my videos, you know I built the house, then we built this workshop, and now I'm finally kind of moving in, I guess, getting set up. So really excited about that. If you have any questions about this shop, I'm trying to think. I think I said it's 24 by 28. Scissor truss, I got a shingled roof, it hasn't been sided yet. Cost, I think I've spent around 10, 11 grand. I think around there, around 11 grand maybe. That's doing everything myself, so if you hire it out, double that I guess, at least. And then I'm sure I have a few grand to go still. So if you have any more questions, leave in the comment section below, and any advice. I guess I got a little bit of a blank slate here, so how you heat your shop, I'm interested in hearing, because Minnesota climate, I'm definitely gonna need some heat in here, whether propane or electric or mini split, whatever you do. I'd love to hear your opinion. Also, any other advice you have, I'd love to hear it. So I'm Chad DIY. If you like this video, thumbs up, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks.